What's up, Redneck Crew? We be balling up in the house, the crib, Yeah. Look at this big old thing. Come on. Blue. Come on. What you doing? Sit. Blue, sit. Stay. Come on. Come on. She's a good dog. But yeah, chilling in the crib. I was just playing on some Call of Duty. I just shut it off and everything like that. Got a pool table. Got a bunch of couches. Foosball table. Shoot, we got a bunch of stuff here, guys. Take you out to go see my truck real quick. Just wish I could like switch the screen around, but it's not gonna let me. You stay in there, Blue. Yeah, it's not gonna let me flip the screen. Oh, it's bright out here. There's the beauty. I even have some decals on it. I don't know if you guys heard that, but there's someone over there yelling. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. I just want to show you what my truck looks like, and I'll see you next time.